Welcome to Azure at Hacienda Lakes in Naples, Florida, a West Indies-themed gated community featuring 419 single-family detached homes and attached villas. Amenities include a clubhouse, a tiki hut, pickleball courts, tennis courts, fitness center, an aerobics studio, meeting rooms, and more. Hacienda Lakes will include more than 1,500 acres of preserves when completed and a total of 2,262 acres. For information on resale homes at Azure, or if you are interested in selling your Azure home, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes in the video description below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our next informative video on Naples, Florida real estate. Thanks for watching.